Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable our internet from working while our screen is turned off on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To disable our internet while the screen is off, we have to go to the settings. Next, we look for battery options here. Next, we have to scroll down until we see more battery settings. It's hidden right here. And as you can see, it's enabled. Stay connected while asleep. Usually, it's better to leave it on. But if you want to prevent your internet from connecting while the screen is off, you can just uncheck this box and our phone will be offline from the internet when the screen is turned off. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.